Imagine breaking free from bills and worries, building wealth just for you. That's the promise of Finelo, the ultimate platform for mastering investing and personal finance. Whether you're just a complete beginner or you're looking to sharpen your skills, Finelo takes complex concepts into simple, actionable steps. Very simple. With over 1 million learners worldwide, Finelo has got you covered. What exactly is Finelo? Well, it's an interactive educational hub designed to teach you investing and trading from the ground up. No more overwhelming or confusing charts. Finelo breaks it down with step-by-step guidance tailored just for you. That's right. You can go right to the website and you can take a quiz, a wealth growth quiz, okay? Answer a few questions and boom, you now have a plan towards your financial knowledge right from the website. Once you log into Finelo, you'll get a chance to check out the tools, the learning simulator, and the leaderboard. Now, the leaderboard tracks the progress of each person that's logging in and taking action here. If you don't see your name on here, that means you need to take more action in all the tools that Finelo has to provide here. I say go check out the learning simulator. You're definitely going to learn how to invest with Finelo at a high level. Also, you definitely want to participate in a 28-day trading challenge here from Finelo once you log in here. Take it slow, all right? Really, the questions are really good and it does improve your financial knowledge completely here. Finelo got you covered when you want to learn about trading, investing, and about money in general. But here's the game changer. Finelo has a real-world investing simulator, which meaning you can practice trades with virtual money at a risk-free environment that mimics the actual markets. So that means you can make mistakes, you can make the trades, and it doesn't cost you a dime. It's like having your own personal financial coach right there in your environment. So check it out. Finelo definitely helps you out with your financial knowledge and improve on you every single day. So you're probably thinking, why should you choose Finelo? Check out the website that you see right now. It's helping real people like yourself and myself to gain that financial knowledge so you can make really smart decisions. It's not about theory, it's about interactive fun with training and learning something about your financial future. So that's what Finelo has all about. You're probably still thinking about why should you choose Finelo. Check out the website and a couple of the reviews by people just like me and you. Check out Vernon. He said it helped me understand how important investing is and what to do with extra money and saving it. That's what Finelo has all about. It gives you the financial direction for you can grow your financial future here. It also says Charles Z. It's a great application, clear and easy to understand. It's the little things that make this thing go. You want things simple steps. Remember, Finelo takes complex concepts into simple, easy steps for you to understand on a daily basis. Whether you're aiming to retire early or saving for that vacation or even saving money on a rainy day or a snowy day, Finelo has all the tools equipped for you to be successful. There's no really experience necessary in terms of dealing with all this. You got to be just willing to learn and take action with Finelo. Are you finally ready to transform your financial future? Check out Finelo, check out the website, and get involved with all the action steps that it has. Take the quiz, get involved in terms of knowledge and your financial future. It has everything equipped for you to be successful. My name is Shelton. I'm the captain. Check out Finelo right now. Finelo got you covered.